Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang
start of another game dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. It's Laguna taking on Zamboanga. Baron Mercado covering the action. Coach J. Batangcalie taking on CPF Dragons, with the Dragons already winning their opening game today as they faced off against Region 2 Humble Ballers. That was 65-81. Best player of the game, Jose Cadiz. 23 points, 2 rebounds, at meron ding 5 assists. And playing for the first time, Laguna coach J. Batangcalie. I saw the lineup and saw familiar names on the side of Laguna. I saw Kobe Genido in there. I saw Lyndon Hulip. Si Miko Noel also playing in Laguna. So may mga na-cover na tayo dyang mga players watching, or I should say playing on the side of Laguna. As you can hear, the crowd here supporting itong Laguna coach J. Batangcalie. jumper didn't go in. And a chance to make it 5-0. Will call out a play. Looking to break the defense down. Isolation, 1-2. Putting on a show as Fernandez makes it count. That's their first 2 points of the contest. Almost a steal on the other side. Almost having a hand on it ay itong si Fernandez. Five to 2 is our score here. Almost a steal. Looks to roll it inside. Makukuha ng Zamboanga. Fernandez once again. Didn't go. A 3 ball. That is all air, stepping at the line. Five to 2. Here's Cadiz for 3. Hindi pa nakaka-score. Look at that touch pass by Cloud Ortiz. And now a chance to run. Goes for that drive. Basket is good. Making that basket. I believe that was Kobe Canido scoring on that 2. A steal on the other side. A 4-on-2 break. Sayang. Shot didn't count. But you gotta know he's in for the highlights. Kanina pa gumagawa ng diskarte. Making one, missing one. That's 50% conversion. 6 minutes, 3 remaining. That's Henilia looking for that drive. As a quick timeout called here by CPF Dragons. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahal.
7-2 is our score here. Gonna go for that shot, and it's good. And a steal on the other side. Going for back-to-back mix, fakes, shoots, and scores. 11-2 ang ating score dito. Laguna off the gates hot here. Again, Boy Mendoza wanting the highlight every time he has the ball. Parang lahat ng tao naka-abang kapag hawak na ni Boy Mendoza ang bola. Three on the way. Cloud Ortiz couldn't score. Here we go again. Boy looking to make another spin. That pass was perfectly read by Fernandez. And just all the way for 2 is Jose Cadiz. Again at 23 points, 5 assists. Let's see kung ano magiging follow-up niya dito. 11-4 ang ating score. 4 minutes 15 remaining. 1-2 step. Didn't go on their plan. Tumatakbo. Henilia finds Tomala. They got that shot as a Tomala scores on that break. At Zamboanga, unti-unti nang nabubuhay dito. Again, winning their opening game. Let's see if they can convert when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa.
Didn't shoot that 3. 11-6 is our tally, and that basket didn't go in as a defensive stop is made here by Laguna. So Cadiz will be at the line. I believe a technical foul will be called on Boy Mendoza. Again, wanting to save that ball, pero syempre, kailangang bantayan yan ng ating mga referees as Fernandez secures the first free throw. Hulip is in. Miko Noel also in. So yung mga nabanggit kong players already seeing minutes. Corner 3. That is off the mark. Nice rebound. I believe that's Sinconike. Noel's pass will be rescued. Looking for that quick play. Read perfectly. Here is Cadiz on that spin. Nice pass. On that attempt, pero naagaw. One bump, fakes, shoots. Merong foul na itatawag. Kobe Genido will now be at the line. 2:46 remaining here in the opening quarter. Missing on both free throws is Kobe. Securing that rebound is CPF Dragons. Fernandez looks for that pass. A read by Miko Noel, as Genilia will be called for that foul. Again, one of the best players that I have covered. Miko Noel is a walking bucket. In one of the leagues that he is playing, he can score 30 if he wants to. This time he's playing a role for Laguna coach J. Batangcalie. Again, on that team, he's a consistent 20-point scorer. And now Miko Noel scores his first 2 points off the bench. Fernandez for 3. That is off the mark. (13-7), a 6-point lead as we are into the last 2 minutes ng ating opening quarter. Goes for that attack. Basket didn't go for Kobe. Genido will not get that possession. Still a 13-7 score. Cadiz nakaka-isang puntos na. Looking to get this off. Spin. Send it on the other side. A 3. Still couldn't convert on those outside shots. Wanting to make a run. Kobe Genido finds a friend inside for 2. Coach J ex Batang Kalye versus CPF Dragons as they need to play defense. Talking about the guys from Laguna, Genilia puts that layup to go. 15-9 ang ating score. Trap on that one. Noel for 3. There you go. What did I tell you about Miko Noel? A walking bucket. To answer back. Off the mark. Wait lang daw. Lamang ng siyam. 18-9. As Coach J ex Batang Kalye will play this off. Last 7 to go. Couldn't secure that offensive. 2 seconds. Just easy 2 all the way. Jose Cadiz scores his 4th point of the contest. But what a start by Laguna Coach J ex Batang Kalye. Getting points from everyone. Latest points, Miko Noel, 5, including that one big 3. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Start of the second quarter. Muntinlupa, I should say Laguna, Coach J ex Batang Kalye, and the Zamboanga CPF Dragons involved in a good contest here. Down by 9 points, 20-11 as Noel takes that ball away, looking for this deuce. And just 20 or make it 35 seconds in, timeout agad itong mga taga Zamboanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to.
(22-11), another steal. Referees will call a foul. I believe there was a push on that layup. As we have a situation here, Boy Mendoza always wanting to put on a show. Just unfortunate he misses the layup earlier. Couldn't complete the three-point play. As you look at the right side of your screen, dyan sa tabi ng ating logo ng Doride Bola ng Pinoy. Of course, our official game ball. Yan yung mga sumusuporta dito sa Laguna. Coach JX Batang Kalye. Mendoza just couldn't hit on the first one. .906 remaining here. Mendoza knocking down the second. 23-11, 12-point advantage. Mendoza from behind picks the pocket. Miko Noel just couldn't convert. Fakes, di pa rin makakakuha. Here's Mendoza once again. Natapikan on the other side. Fernandez will look to silence them. And there is a foul to prevent that. Fernandez easy two. (23-12). Noel couldn't convert on that last one. Pero itong sila Fernandez and crew looking to cut the lead here. 23-12, 11-point advantage. Looking to make one more play. A kickball on the other side. Score is still the same. Balik dito ay Mendoza. Boy sends it on the right side. Goes to attack. That flip shot didn't go in. Another offensive rebound. Just out-rebounding itong CPF Dragons. Mendoza with a cross. Shot didn't go in. Pero merong foul na itinawag. Still, 11 points ang gustong habulin. Tumala sends it to Fernandez. On that fake, goes for that drive. And aggressive itong si Fernandez in this game. (23-14), 9-point lead. Laguna looking for a conversion. Nakakarami silang offensive rebounds. Hindi pa sila makapuntos ulit. I mean, getting offensive rebounds is one thing. Conversion is another thing. Tumala will show them how to convert. Masyadong bitin lang. But look at the wings of this Laguna squad. Tatlong player halos magkakasing laki. Mendoza, skies high for two. Again, Boy Mendoza puts the razzle-dazzle in this Laguna squad. Fernandez, 3. That is off the mark. Will get the ball back. Spins and scores. Getting that steal, Fernandez gives it here a 3 by Genilia. Oh! That is just nothing but net for Genilia. Earlier on, he was swatting shots left and right. And now he delivers that big of a 3 again. A lot of opportunities para sa Laguna. Wala silang makonvert. Can they end the bleeding in this one? They just went all. Fernandez couldn't make it back-to-back mix. 27-19. 4 minutes 45 remaining. I-diskarte ulit. Here's Mendoza waiting for the right time to attack. Dionisio was the last one to score. Calls for an ISO. Jumper. That is too strong para dito kay Kobe. Fernandez once again rejected. Look at that lineup of Laguna. Aside from Mendoza, halos magkakasay silang lahat. Pero tuloy natin ang laban mamaya. We have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga
4 minutes 13. Sayang para ay Cadiz had a clean look. Fernandez will eventually lose the possession. A 2-on-2 break that gets that basket. Kobe Genido of that pass by Mendoza. looking to face off another pressure. Nice block on the other side. Genilia was turned away 2 times. Ball is lost. Breaking away. Boy Mendoza for 2. 31-19. Laguna's defense on that last sequence. Those are 2 big blocks. As a Genilia hit that 3 earlier. Now showing us that range. They go inside. Fernandez with a jumper, and it's pure. Pure looking jumper for Fernandez. In this game, at least siya yung main focal offensive weapon. And a backcourt violation is called here on Laguna Coach JX Batangcalie. Genilia will be the playmaker. Fernandez couldn't buy a 3-pointer to save his name. Tumala to Cadiz. Sayang yung reversed. (31-21). Basket goes in after that quick play. Nakakuha din ng puntos finally ang Zamboanga CPF Dragons. 1:38 remaining. Boy Mendoza, look at them, ball movement and all. Masyado malakas yung 3-pointer. Genilia will be called for the foul. Itong Laguna. (31-23), make it 31-25. And here we go, CPF Dragons. Unti-unti nang nakakakuha ng buwelo itong Laguna Coach JX Batangcalie. Sila naman ang ta-timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
Anim na lang ang hahabulin dito ng Zamboanga. 29.4 seconds remaining, and kudos to the Zamboanga team making a comeback and an offensive foul on Mendoza, extending that leg. Bawal yun. I get it that he wants to wow the crowd. Pero minsan need to make a smarter decision, a smarter play. Tumala. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang attempt. Now on the run, here's Mendoza, rejected. Big three off the mark. Now going on the run. Here's Cadiz, spins, shoots, missing. And that is the end of our first half of action. 33-27. Zamboanga medyo nakakahabol sa kalamangan ng Laguna coach JX Batangkalye. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang
Second half of action, 33-27. Laguna coach JX Batangkalye. Sila ang may kalamangan, pero si Fernandez with the theft, with the robbery, successful on that heist to start off our third quarter. Just an easy basket, nice response. Leaking out once again, Fernandez had a good look. Hindi lang pumasok yung kanyang jumper. Skying high. That is a wonderful two. No one was able to guard him on those drive. Dribbling violation will be called on Cadiz. Apat na lang sana kanina. And now they just couldn't convert on this or on that last play. Itong Zamboanga, but they will get the most out of this one. A steal, a basket. Another one. Tupala. Referees will call a foul. Cloud Ortiz will be called for a foul. Seven minutes, 45 remaining. 37-31. A 3. That is off. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga as a 24-second shot clock violation is called here. Full court pressure. Lyndon Hulip is back on the court. Looking to add more points. Naka-recover pa. Sayang, di nakapasok on the side of Zamboanga. Again, unstoppable drive. That time is a miss. Fernandez now looking to break free. Cadiz all the way. Four-point lead. 37-33. Stops on the dime and scores on that basket. Open shot, Cadiz. Missing on that 3, slipping on that rebound. Swerte na lang nakuha nila. Talking about Laguna, Coach JX Batangcalie. Fernandez steps in for the shot. Still no outside shot for him. Ortiz with a miss and out rebounded by the smaller player there. Henilia, nice pass. Masyadong minadali para kay Tumala. Good job for him. Boxing out on that last play. Spins. Drop off. No look. Basket. .602 remaining. Third, or make it a 41-33. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahal.
Off the break, naka-score itong si Jose Cadiz. 41-35. Sinconique has now entered the fray para dito sa Laguna. Coach JX Batangcalie. Miko Noel as well. 3. Masyadong bitin para kay Miko. He has that range but needs to use it correctly. Talking about Miko Noel. 41-35. Looking to cut the lead even more. Fernandez has been playing well. 8 seconds remaining. Attacks, spins. Tiknang makakita ng 3-point play, and I love how Tomala just attacks the defense. Nakalusot dun sa mga malalaking players ng Laguna, Coach J. Batang Kalye. Missing on the first. Missing on both free throws. (41-35). Cloud Ortiz uses the glass. 41-37 na ang ating score dito. 4 minutes 20 remaining. Mendoza is back. Boy looking to use the 5 Nike pick. Here's Mendoza. Offshoots that one. (41-37). Finding Cloud Ortiz once again, and look at the small guy just getting that offensive rebound. Tatawagan ng foul. I believe will be on the side of Laguna, Coach J. Oh, I second thought. I believe that was a Tomala called for that foul. Pero grabe, yung sipag ni Tomala has got at least 2 offensive rebounds against the bigger players ng Laguna, Coach J. Batang Kalye. Went behind his back. One-hand floater by Kobe Ganido. Tomala couldn't rescue that pass. Boy Mendoza now sizing up Tomala. 43-37. Here's Mendoza breaking, scoring. We are in for a treat. Fernandez says, shush. (45-40). Fernandez again with a steal, silencing the crowd. Goes for the drive all the way. Cadiz and Fernandez, much needed baskets after that Mendoza highlight. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo.
2 minutes 30 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Zamboanga CPF Dragons only down by 3 points. Mendoza once again looking to make that spin. Basket is in. Spectacular. Boy Mendoza. Fernandez again. Couldn't hit that 3. Doing some dribbling exhibition. Itong si Mendoza. Again, full head of steam. Jumper won't fall. Nice rebound on the side of Zamboanga. Last touch itong si Cadiz. A minute 30 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Interesting game. Kobe Genido, Dionisio for 3. Bang! (50-42). Looking to respond. Fernandez. Corner shot is in. What a game. Only in the third quarter. Final 55 remaining. Mendoza couldn't use the high angle shot. Waiting on the wings, Cloud Ortiz. Basket is good. (50-47). Ortiz looking to complete another 3-point play. Nothing but net. 40 seconds remaining. Mendoza accelerates, shoots and scores. Ay 52-48, I should say. Corner shot, Fernandez again. Masyadong malakas, Ortiz. Fernandez drops it off. Referees will call a whistle. I love how focused and confident Fernandez is in this game para sa Zamboanga. Meanwhile, for Laguna, Boy Mendoza, he is just a show on his own. In and out, in again. Getting that free throw to go. Down by 2 points. This is just the third quarter. Ganyan pa rin ang ating intensity. Taas pa din. I believe there's a warning call on the play. Ortiz, I believe, will be assessed with this one. And if you are Zamboanga, CPF, again, ang ganda ng pinapakita nyo in this third quarter. Sa dami ng gandang ginalaw ni Mendoza, you are just at least 2 steps behind Kobe Genido tsaka itong si Ortiz. Involved in that one. I believe natawagan na ng warning kanina itong si Ortiz. So, oh, wait. It's on the side of Laguna. Thought that was on Ortiz. So maybe it's Genido getting that free throw. As Fernandez now will have this one. So warning on Ortiz, technical on Genido. Yun ang naitawag ng ating referees. Kaya itong si Fernandez was at the line. 1 point lead. We have 1 more quarter to go. 8 seconds remaining. Di diskarte on this move. Mendoza uses that pick, bumps, attacks, and scores. He is just amazing. And just before we will end this game, I believe we will have an additional call here. Again, Mendoza made that shake and bake. He made the last basket. And then nung pabalik na sa huddle, itong magkaparehong teams, referees blew their whistle. And now they're discussing kung ano nangyari. And I really believe this will favor itong Laguna Coach J ex Batang Kalye. Because it could be a technical foul naman on the side here for Zamboanga. Again, needing to find it out. Our referees will now confirm it to our game announcer, Gio Cruz. Okay. So technical foul on Genilia for unsportsmanlike behavior. Jonicio will have a free chance on the point. Hindi gumagalaw ang oras. Nakapunto sila. And we start the fourth quarter just like that. Again, the score is 55-51. Ganun-ganun lang. Fourth quarter na tayo. Wag na natin patagalin pa to. Action is heating up inside Banana Court. Zamboanga needing to break one more run ng Laguna. Stepping through. Nice pass. Big block. Cadiz 3. Won't fall. Mendoza is the show. Almost stripped there. Goes one-on-one. Behind his back. Maybe a bit too fancy, but we have seen everything that Mendoza can do. Kumbaga kay Mendoza, normal na yung ganun. Because he's just like that. He's the show. 55-51. Ortiz will be called for traveling. Start of the fourth, 55-51. Mendoza once again. This time he gives it to Dionisio. Scoring that three, knocking it down. Lead is up to 7. Shoots. Hindi makukumpleto ang end one as Cadiz will be at the line. Really hard cover itong si Mendoza. He wants you to come near him para maiwanan kanya using his speed and dribbling. On the other side, if you sag off, if you back off, marunong siyang maghanap ng kakampi for those passes. In and out yung kay Cadiz. And when you look at Mendoza, as Cadiz is at the line, halos magkakasing laki lang sila nila Cadiz, but he has that body. Maganda yung katawan ni Mendoza dito. He knows he can use that body and that strength. Referee is calling a technical foul. (58-51). I believe Cadiz will be called for that technical foul. Didn't remember kung meron na bang warning itong si Cadiz on faking a foul. Pero mataas ang chance na meron as Dionisio couldn't score on that free throw. Coach JX Batang Kalye up by 7. Again, dangerous player on the court so far is Boyi Mendoza. Look at that acceleration, Mendoza! We are just living in his world right now. He is insanely good. Zamboanga on the other side, looking to make a counter, and that is in for Labis. 60-53. At some point, you need to double team this man. He's making a lot of plays para dito sa Laguna. Here he is once again, looking to dissect the defense here with 6 seconds to go. Mendoza finds Dionisio, pulls it up, and it's in! I'm speechless in this game. Now attacks, waits, Mendoza! Welcome to the Boyi Mendoza Show dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. What can't he do? Labis lost control. Ball will be back to Laguna. (65-53). Kailangan ko mag-control dito. I've been in awe. A 3-ball. That is off the mark. Kobe Genido bumps and will be at the line, as that is our breather here. (65-53). .534 remaining. 12-point lead. Genido couldn't hit on the first. Misses both. Referees call it possession on Zamboanga. Nanalo na ang Zamboanga kanina. Laguna, meanwhile, playing their first game here in the Battle of Champions. Again, who's making the big plays? Who's making those stops? Boyi Mendoza. Nakawala. Orbit. Or a cloud with that breakaway, and he is down. Ortiz is down. Again, he made that basket. He was free. Cloud Ortiz still in the paint here. Let's just hope this is cramps, as you see approaching on the scene Commissioner Kit Picazo. .455 remaining in this contest. Again, not a good sight. If you cannot put a weight on a certain area of your body, again, not looking good. But let's hope for the best para dito kay Cloud Ortiz. We'll be right back to just continue the action.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
So during that break, pinakita sa akin ni Direk Shadi Bohol yung nangyari. Si Ortiz stepped on a player that caused him to roll his ankle, and that is not a good sight. And we have seen at least 3 already na natapilok dito sa larong ito, sa araw na to I should say. As the 3-pointer is a miss. Balik dito kay Cadiz. Fernandez is asking for that 3. Di mahanap. On a tough shot, Fernandez wanting to get that ball so hard. .407 remaining. 65-55. Final 4 minutes remaining. Atad, I believe, hasn't scored yet, and that is a shot clock violation. Maybe calling for an ISO. Itong si Mendoza. Love to put them on skates. And that is one of the few instances na napigilan nila itong si Mendoza on those drives. 65-55. 3 minutes 16 remaining. Cadiz, masyadong malakas yung pasa on the other end. One more time on this trip, makukuha ni Cadiz ang bola. 65-55. Nice pass, rejected from behind, as a foul will be called here. Misses on the first. (65-56). Mendoza, open lane. Nabutata on that last one. Offensive rebound. Referees call a jump. Amoroto was involved on that scuffle. (65-56). Mendoza, 3. That could bring the house down if that goes in. Nice pass. Shoots and scores that one. A minute 50 remaining. 7 ang lamang ng Laguna. Nice pass by Mendoza. Amoroto, I should say, just sneaking that basket in. One dribble, three is good. Still in this game. A minute 25 ang nalalabi as Mendoza looks to shake off the defense. Another find. He is just too good. Too easy. Sometimes there's just nothing you can do as Mendoza this time takes it on himself. 6 straight points for Laguna. Timeout tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Off the timeout, naka-score agad si Akab nung last play. 71-62. Final 45 seconds remaining. Just holding on, scoring in. Muntik na makakuha ng puntos. Nagmamadali on the other side. Couldn't get it. 3 on the way. Had a good look as they will look to attack here. 23 seconds remaining. Hindi pa rin papasok. And that will be it. Just an impressive showing by Laguna in this game. Two champions battling it out. Coach J ex Batang Kalye Laguna behind Boyi Mendoza's razzle dazzle has completely thrown off guard itong Zamboanga CPF Dragons who won their opening contest earlier. Again, looking to score once again. That is just how appropriate this game will end. Sumusubok itong Zamboanga, always getting denied at the last time. Laguna 71, Zamboanga 62. Final 3 games, I believe, ang ating i-cover dito. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. kaya mo bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to.